Good morning, this is Joey Marcelo. I'm your CEO, and let me present to you the Sante Diamond Rush program. To start with, let me present to you our builder bonus. Once you join Sante International and activate a product package, you will automatically become a distributor. And as a distributor, you can earn up to the 5th level. Of course, the objective is to upgrade your position to become a dealer, associate director, director, senior director, and of course, the ultimate objective is to become an executive director. As an executive director, it means that you've already sponsored 16 distributors, wherein 8 of them should be active that month, and at the same time, the minimum group volume is 3,000 barley points for you and your entire group. Once you become an executive director, you can now earn up to the 10th level in our builder bonus. Now, once you become an executive director, of course the goal is to develop other executive directors in your group. That's where the executive bonus comes in. Because once you're an executive director who sponsored distributors and upgrade 3 of them to become an executive director, wherein that same month, yung tatlong ED mo should have a group volume each of 3,000 barley points, and at the same time, you have a side volume of 3,000 barley points. So side volume means volume coming from volume outside your 3 executive directors. Once you become a gold ED, automatically the company will be giving you an additional 4%. Next goal is to become a platinum, wherein you have 5 ED lines, wherein every ED line should have at least 3,000 barley points, and you have a side volume of 3,000 barley points. Pag platinum ka na, you'll be earning 7%. And of course, objective is to become a diamond executive director. Once a diamond ka na, it only means that you've sponsored 7 ED lines, meaning 7 ED na sabay-sabay may 3,000 barley points that month, and at the same time, you have a side volume of 3,000 barley points. Once na naging ED ka na, you'll be given an additional of 10% up to infinity. So ladies and gentlemen, the ultimate objective for a new distributor is to become an executive director, and at the same time, after becoming an executive director, is to develop other EDs in his organization. Now this is the good news. As of the moment, we are requiring you to have a group volume before you upgrade to the next level or to upgrade your pin ranks. This is the good news. There will be no group volume requirements for pin rank advancement, meaning para maging executive director ka, all you need to do is sponsor 16 new distributors, wherein 8 of them are active same month. This is effective starting May of 2016. So grab this opportunity, mga partners and friends. This is now time to encourage your group na habulin po ang pagiging executive director and ultimately become a diamond. Some important notes. To qualify for the next pin level, a distributor should sponsor at least 2 new distributors from May 1, 2016 onwards. Meaning, for all active distributors prior to May 1, for you to be upgraded to the next pin level, you need to at least sponsor 2 new distributors. Meaning, even though you already have 16 directly referred distributors prior to May 1, pagdating po ng May 1, hindi ka automatically magiging executive director. Kailangan meron ka ng sponsor na at least 2 bago from May 1 onwards for you to be upgraded to the next pin level. Now, let's talk about the Sante ED Fast Track Upgrading Program. For our new distributors, within 30 calendar days upon registration, be promoted to an executive director's position when you sponsor 5 new distributors with at least a builder pack plus each. For our existing distributors, same mechanics as the above, except that ang day 1 nila is May 5, 2016. So grab this opportunity, mga partners. Within 30 calendar days, just sponsor 5 new distributors, activating a builder pack plus, automatically executive directors ka na rin. But remember, for you to be upgraded to become a gold, platinum, and diamond, you still need to have at least 16 direct referrals. Ang advantage lang ng ating Sante ED Fast Track program, magiging executive director ka na kahit hindi ka pa umaabot sa 16. Become an ED from May 1 until June 30, 2016 and enjoy an overnight stay at Pico de Oro. Please take note, we can accommodate up to 10 guests in Pico de Oro, but you have to pay for you and your guest fee in Pico de Oro. Claiming of this reward is only until August 31, 2016. So this will now be an advantage and of course privilege for our new executive directors to at least bond with their team with this promo of the company. So grab this opportunity, become an executive director from May 1 until June 30, 2016. And of course, ang pinaka-exciting dito, there will be a quarterly executive directors recognition program wherein yung mga magkwa-qualify will be recognized in venues outside the office. In Metro Manila, we will be conducting a regular hotel presentation or outside the office presentation wherein yung mga EDs ay i-recognize quarterly. Let me update you with regards to our Sante Infinity System at upgrading program. If you join Sante via our starter pack, alam mo naman na ikaw ay merong 64 Infinity Lock. People are asking how can we upgrade to a higher level, meaning how can we upgrade to a level such as the 128 Infinity Lock? Of course, we presented to you an upgrading program in the past. This is part of Sante International Compensation Program. The good news is we will temporarily suspend the Sante Infinity System upgrading program. Ang goal po namin ay maraming matulungan para ma-upgrade into a 128 Infinity Lock level. So ano ang kailangan nilang gawin ngayon to upgrade? Napakasimple lang po. Become a Gold Executive Director and immediately earn a 85 Infinity Lock level. Become a Platinum, automatically 106 Infinity Lock ka na. And of course, become a Diamond, you'll automatically be upgraded into a 128 Infinity Lock. Just remember, you must at least develop 2 new ED lines from May 1, 2016 to avail of the Infinity Lock upgrade. Meaning, all distributors prior to May 1 who are already Gold, Platinum, and Diamond, hindi automatically magiging 85, 106, or 128 sila. If you're a Diamond prior to May 1, you need at least to develop 2 new ED lines to be upgraded into a 128 Infinity Lock. Sante Infinity Enhancement Program. This is another good news. Every time that a business account will reach 128 Infinity Lock on the left and right up to 50 levels, there will be an active re-entry account that will be added on top of the existing business account. So meaning, if let's say this is you and you've already built your organization on your left and on your right, and let's say nagkaroon ka na ng 128 on the left and 128 on the right at umabot yan ng 50 levels. Not necessarily consecutive levels, basta total ng 50 levels ang nagkaroon ng 128 on the left and on the right, the company will be giving you a re-entry account right above the account na napuno ng 128 left and right up to 50 levels. What's the advantage of this re-entry account? You can simply build the left leg or the other leg. Kasi yung kabilang leg, continuously nagpo-produce na yan ng volume. Kailangan ka nalang mag-build sa kabilang leg and enjoy a new batch of earnings coming from new distributors na papasok sa organization mo. Ang advantage, hindi mo na kailangang mag-build ng isang leg dahil na-build mo na yon because of your previous account na winner out in Sante. The Sante Infinity System Enhancement Program will be effective by January 2017. Mga kapatid, this will be a good news, especially sa ating mga business builders. Now, let's talk about our Diamond Royalty Bonus. Once you become a Diamond in Sante International, the next objective is to create other diamonds in your organization. If you're a Diamond with a total of 1 active Diamond line, and a side volume of 50,000 barley points, you are now classified as a yellow diamond. And as a yellow diamond, you will earn 1% from your first generation diamonds and 1% from your second generation diamonds. As a yellow diamond, your requirement for auto ship is still the same as a diamond, which is 700 barley points. Now, if you're a diamond with a total of 3 active lines plus a side volume of 40,000 barley points, you are now considered as an orange diamond. And as an orange diamond, you'll earn 2% from your first generation diamonds and 2% from your second generation diamonds. If you're a diamond with a total of 5 active diamond lines with a 30,000 barley points side volume, you are now upgraded to a blue diamond level or position. As a blue diamond, you will earn 3% on your first generation diamonds, 2% on your second generation diamonds, and 1% from your third generation diamonds. If you are a diamond with a total of 7 active diamond lines plus a side volume of 20,000 barley points, you are now considered as a black diamond. As a black diamond, you will earn 4% from your first generation diamonds, 3% from your second generation diamonds, and 1% from your third generation diamonds. And of course, the ultimate goal is to become a green diamond by having a total of 9 active diamond lines and a side volume of 10,000 barley points. If you are already a green diamond, you'll be earning 5% from your first generation diamonds, 3% from your second generation diamonds, and 2% from your third generation diamonds. The Diamond Royalty Bonus will be released on a monthly basis. And remember, only processed sales are counted. If all requirements are met in 1 month, Diamond Distributor will be promoted next month. You and all your qualifying diamond lines must be active on the same month to qualify for rank advancement. So if you're an aspiring Green Diamond Executive Director, dapat that same month, all your 9 diamond lines are active, and at the same time, ikaw rin dapat active ka to advance to a green diamond position sa susunod na buwan. And remember, once your position was upgraded, wala na pong demotion ito, lifetime you will retain that position. Sante partners, I would like to encourage you, please aspire to attain the highest position possible in Sante International, because the higher level, the bigger the benefits. And remember, once you are a green diamond in the Philippines, you are automatically a green diamond in every country that Sante will open. Now, let's talk about the duration of our Diamond Rush program. The Diamond Rush program is valid for a minimum of 3 months starting May 1, 2016. Meaning that the Diamond Rush program can be canceled anytime after July 31, 2016. The Diamond Rush program is applicable to Sante Philippines and Sante United Arab Emirates. And with that, partners, I would like to thank you for your time for watching this video. This is our Diamond Rush program. The goal is to attain the highest position possible. I'm excited with your success in Sante International. Thank you very much for listening. Let's dominate the world.